Hello everyone and welcome to this Get Site Control tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to apply a discount to your customer's cart in your Shopify store with Get Site Control. So let's get started. First of all, let's choose a template for our pop-up from the template gallery. I'm gonna go to Use Cases, Promote Coupon Codes, and look for a template that I like. For example, this one. Then I'll click Take this template. At this point, from the Design tab, you can customize the template however you prefer. You can enter your own copy, you can change the picture, and so on. But what I would like to show you is how to have this button here apply a discount to the customer's cart. So let's click on the button to open the settings and remove the default Open URL action. Then from the Actions menu, I will select Apply Discount. And from this drop-down list, I'll select the discount code that I would like to apply to the customer's cart. Now, these discount codes need to be active in your Shopify store for you to be able to apply them. So I'm going to choose this one for a 20% discount. This is the message that people will see after they click the button. And then I can choose to not redirect my customers, redirect them to checkout or to the cart. I'll not redirect the customers and click OK. All right, moving on to the targeting tab. From here, I can decide where I want to display my pop-up, who is going to see it, at what point, and so on. So first of all, I'm going to choose the pages of my store where I want the pop-up to appear. At the moment, the pop-up is appearing on every page of the store. So I'm going to select my product pages because I want people to see this pop-up if they are already looking at the products in my store. And I'm going to remove the default option so that the pop-up is only appearing on product pages and collections pages. Okay, next, I want to start displaying the widget after people spend some time on the page. So I'm going to select time on page as my trigger and enter the amount of time. Okay, I'm going to remove the default condition. So if people don't spend 10 seconds on the page, I also want them to see the pop-up. So I'm going to add a second trigger for exit intent so that people see the pop-up if they spend 10 seconds of the page or if they try to leave the website. Then in the stop section, I want the pop-up to stop appearing for 1 day after the user closed it, as is the default setting. And also, I want it to stop appearing forever after they have applied the discount. So I'll select Action, Stop Display Forever, and click Done. And that's it. I can save and close my pop-up and activate it on my Shopify store. Now go ahead and create your own pop-up to apply a discount to the cart.